Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the hardware. Make sure the controller has charged batteries and the host device has Bluetooth or Xbox wireless enabled. Once done, power on the controller and press the small pairing button. The Xbox logo will flash to show it's discoverable. Then on your Xbox, press the console's sync button, or on Windows open Bluetooth settings. Why? Because discovery must be active on both devices simultaneously to establish the initial. Now you move through the middle steps. Pick the controller entry in the host's device list and confirm the connection. If using Xbox wireless, the console should auto-complete pairing. If using Bluetooth, choose the controller name and accept pairing prompts. Make sure you hold the pairing button until the controller stops blinking. That indicates a locked connection. If drivers are needed, a wired USB connection speeds installation and helps when wireless discovery fails. Finish by verifying the controller works. Test sticks, triggers, and buttons in a quick game or in the accessories APSO inputs map correctly. Then update the controller firmware if prompted. Firmware fixes latency and compatibility issues. If you still can't connect, a reliable troubleshooting move is to power cycle both devices, remove old paired devices from Bluetooth lists, and try a wired USB connection to force pairing and update drivers. This often resolves stubborn pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.